Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. My name is Mr. Hallelujah. You're welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the board, we have a problem and we have to peruse it. Alright, now if we are to express 0.612 in the form of x over y, meaning as a fraction, what that means is 0.612 can be written as fraction as, if we move the decimal 1, 2, and 3, it means 612 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3, which can be written as 612 all over 1000. At this point, if 4 goes into 612, our answer will give us 153. And if 4 goes into 1000, we are going to have 250. So at this point, we cannot reduce the fraction anymore. So our final answer will be 153 all over 250. So we have successfully expressed this decimal number in fraction as x over y. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe, do well to follow the page, and God bless you. Bye-bye.